The tall lad was paid 3s60 a day to watch the shop. Full stop. The take was calm, comma, so we came back on the boat. Full stop. It was an odd thing to do, comma, but it was a shame to laugh at him. Full stop. Which of them saw the lad take the package back to the shop? Question mark. Paul may manage to show them the way to do the job. Full stop. We know they will be at the game, comma, but they will come back for the show. Full stop. We think they take too long to do the job. Full stop. We have usually given the job to them, comma, but we may make a change. Full stop. They will pay for the damage to the tank, comma, but we think they will ask for a delay. Full stop. We had no cash to pay him at the shop, comma, so a check was given to him. Full stop. Palm had to come a long way, comma, but saw the game. Full stop.